Hi guys, so it's raining heavily here and I want to make a video of how my fish is going to react when it rains. I don't know how they usually, when it rains, what happens when it rains. So today I'm just going to make a video in the rain. So I'm actually walking in the rain and I'm going to shoot to actually see their reaction when it rains. You see, raining heavily. So let's go to the pond. Nothing actually is happening. They are just inside, and I think most of them have gone inside. It's raining really heavy. I just want to make this video for us to see their reaction. But apparently nothing is changed. They're just inside and enjoying themselves and having fun. I'm not even seeing any of them on the surface. See? But of course, when it rains, it provides oxygen into the pond. So you can see all the bubbles that are forming and all that. It's good for them, and they like it when it rains. Yeah, but then also you need to be aware of the outlet that I created for the fact that when it overflows, so the overflow tank would help when it rains. Yeah, so just follow my YouTube channel. You're going to see really awesome videos on fish farming. Everything that you need to know about fish farming, you'll know. This is a live, should I say, a video that's actually raining that I'm shooting this for us to see their reaction. Again, like I said, it's important for your fish to have some oxygen by way of introducing some bubbles inside the water.